Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is a Bosch Avantixx 7 Varioperfect washing machine. It'll probably have a number in here, WAE24367GB34. It's seen better days, but I can still show you how to do the lint filter down the bottom. It should have a little plastic door with a tab on top that you would pop down and fold open. That's missing. If you're indoors, you pull out this hose and drain it into, and there's nothing in it actually, drain it into a saucepan or baking tray or something like that. And then you're in here, and I'm expecting this one to have a lot of limescale. Oh, there is liquid in it, dripping out here. It's a bit grim. What's in here then? What's that? I haven't seen. Oh, the filter has come apart. That's a bit weird. Haven't seen that before, so that makes this video a bit more interesting. So I've never seen this happen before. So that's the outer part of the filter, and then the inner part here doesn't even want to come. There's so much stuff in it. That's it. It's moving now.
The filter has done that.
There's loads of scale in it. Now, how is it gripped on? If I can get in there. Let's lie it on its back in this case. Gently does it. Yeah, look at that.
Can I see that?
You can see if you have a look. Mind your hands, bud.
Oh, there's something holding it in.
Wow, I've never. This is a safe to pull. Oh, there we go. I got a face full of bits. That's limescale. That's what happens if in a hard water area you don't deal with your machine appropriately. The pump may or may not be knackered. That's still going around. That little.
Can I see the pump?
That little helicopter there is still going around, but there's a lot of scale in that. That's what you're up against. Right, if it looks like that, the rest of your machine probably looks great too. Otherwise, there could be hair clips or something in there, and you'd take them out and you'd put this back in with the lid. Where's the lid gone? There it is. But I think that's snapped apart at some point. I don't think it's meant to come apart in two pieces. But anyways, that's how you take it apart. So yeah, it might snap on if it was clean. It might. You put it back together and you snap it up, and then you run your machine as usual, and you should be back in action.
There's a little ring there, and there's a groove there, so you'd be wanting to
it should
really
snap on.
but look,
that looks like it should snap with that as the thing. If it was clean, it might. But we're not going to worry about that. This machine's seen better days. And a bonus tip, if your machine door won't open, you pull this guy down. That's the door release catch. Not every machine has it, but some of them do. Right, questions or comments, leave them below.
Thanks for watching. See you later.
See you later.